This is the 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance, one of the fastest and most advanced electric cars of the year. It comes with two electric motors and all-wheel drive. Together, they make more than 510 horsepower, giving the car amazing power. It accelerates extremely fast, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds, and the top speed is around 262 kilometers per hour. The battery is very efficient. On a full charge, you can drive more than 550 kilometers. With Tesla Superchargers, you can charge from 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes, perfect for long trips. Inside, the car feels modern and clean. There's a big 17-inch display, comfortable seats, premium audio, and Tesla's upgraded autopilot system. It has strong safety features like 360-degree sensors, lane assist, automatic braking, and excellent crash protection. The expected price is between $55,000 and $60,000. So overall, it's fast, efficient, safe, and full of new technology. Do you think the 2025 Model 3 Performance is the best electric car of the year?